Hi guys, I'm Angeli. Welcome back to my channel. Our recipe today will be honey garlic glazed salmon. This is the upgraded version of our previous recipe. So let's get started. I have here 4 slices of salmon, around 1 pound. I already cleaned and dry with a paper towel. Season the salmon with a half teaspoon of salt and a dash of black pepper powder on both sides. Then set aside. For the sauce, in a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, and a dash of black pepper powder. Mix and set aside. I have here 3 cloves minced garlic and a chop of spring onion for garnish. I have here 28 grams of butter or 2 tablespoons. In a pan, add half tablespoon of butter. Then saute the minced garlic until golden and aromatic. Then set aside. In the same pan, add the remaining butter, then the salmon in. Cook the salmon for 3 to 4 minutes in one side and 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Meanwhile, mix the sauce with the fried garlic. Then cook the other side of the salmon for 2 to 3 minutes. One minute before it's done, pour the sauce on top and let it simmer for 1 minute. And now it's done. I can transfer now into a serving plate. Then we can pour on top some extra sauce. And there we have it, our delicious honey garlic glazed salmon. You can sprinkle some chopped spring onion, but this is optional. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know what do you think this recipe in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.